chicken cutlet mukbang, but with gaming headphones on. Look at it. Look at this. Oh. That's so delicious. You should try it one time.